too. All right, we have a 2018 Honda Accord. In case you ever need to see what this model looks like, well kept car, very good. We are doing the front brake pads on this baby. When you pop the hood, it's gonna be right here. You just push to the left up under the emblem and lift up. The little stand bar go right there. But yeah, it's a 4-cylinder. And I always look at your brake fluid reservoir. Yeah, she's good on the fluid. Smells okay, looks okay, no leaks presumed. First time seeing the vehicle, no diagnostic done. They just need a brake job. So we're gonna start at the front passenger, then front driver. All right, first we're gonna do the emergency brake, and it's an electric brake. Gonna hold it back like that. You heard them apply. Emergency brake is on. Make sure we have our key outside the car and close that door. And since we're gonna be jacking up stuff, we're gonna let this hood down for safety. Like that. Alright, now we're on the front, doing the front brakes on this one now, and you can jack it up right there on the front side, with right here close to the tire. Gonna get the head on it. Alright, and it's gonna be a 3/4 going on these lugs. Alright, we turn the wheel to the right. All the way till it stop. Alright, cut it off so it'll lock right there. These are a 14mm for the actual caliper. If you change your caliper, this is what you're gonna take off. The back ones are just a bracket. So on the back we had to take that off, but on this one we don't have the same setup. These are very simple, regular single piston brakes. So let's see if my little simple old school method works. Oh, I'm gonna do all that too. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right. Let's just and you just butterfly this open like that. Simple. All right. Now I don't want to stretch that brake line and have to go back in there, turn the wheel and all that. So we just go ahead and take the other one off. What we gonna do is clamp that side and do that.
Inventory.
All right. Instead of butterflying it to protect our brake line from the wheel being turned this way, just gonna move it. Sit right there for now. Get these old pads out the way. You can get a flathead or a small pry bar. Got them out. All right. Spray this down with brake cleaner. Now let's get these old brackets out. And if it's your first time, just remember how they are. Take a picture, whatever you gotta do. Alright, and we got the new brackets over here. Simple, just match them up. That's all you gotta do. Match them up, boom, boom. Match it up. Boom, boom. Yep, we're good. Alright, so these are gonna go back up in place. Alright, these are gonna go down here. Once you got them in place, get your pads. After you apply the proper brake lubricant or whatever. Remember, the round on the outside, then that's how it goes. So we're gonna put that in. Sometimes you gotta slide and move them around, and you gotta make it make sense. You have to put your pins, the new brackets down before you do these. I like to go push down, slide back, then push across the top. Like that. Alright, now we gotta compress that cap and place it over the piston. Like that. That'll be our surface on compressing the piston. And let's see. Get our Pittsburgh C-clamp. Quick release. Put this on the back end. And just gonna tighten up. Okay, we're locked. Now I want you to look right there. If this does not compress, with you putting some adult strength on it, your caliper is seized and it cannot be reassembled. You will need another caliper to reassemble that car. The mechanic is not lying to you. Go get another caliper so they can finish their job. Because even if they did get to reassemble it, you wouldn't be able to stop properly. So if that will not compress and they're doing it like this, you need another caliper. Alright, now we have enough room to put our new pads. And it should slide right on. Gotcha, like that. You can push that down. Push that ear down. And just line your bolts back up. I'm gonna tighten this up. This is the simplest a brake job could possibly be when it comes to this front. All right. Now we're gonna get them. We're gonna get my wife to switch to the on position and unlock the controls, and it's just gonna press all the way down like you're trying to stop. And we're gonna watch it to press out here. Hit the on switch twice till it's on. Then just keep pressing the brakes all the way down. And you can see and hear it should be stiff in there. All right, good. Yep, and it's hard up in there for you. Do have brakes. You do have brakes. All right. Now we're just gonna put the tire back on. Mono mechanic. Simplest brake job ever. Single piston. 2018 Honda Accord. Picture from it. All right. Part comparison. Definitely needed these changed. Alright, these are for part number for the front. I don't recommend Duralast, but if you have to, that's the part number for the front. Alright. 2018. Alright, you gotta put it in the on position with the key.
Please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
You heard him. Straight like that.
Use your feet and legs.
Get it close as possible. See if my technique works with this one. Yep. The legs, man. Look at your
But
legs.
I mean, like if you got steel toe shoes on, you can use your feet.
Right. That too.